Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Chanel unboxing. I'm super excited for this item that I got. I have been waiting for this item and it is a new collection piece. So if you're wondering what I got, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Jeree Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. I also wanted to say if you could go follow me on Instagram. I have been more active on there, like doing my Instagram stories and posting some pictures, and I just want to grow on Instagram as well as YouTube. So please go follow me there. I'll put my name on the screen. But yeah, I like to do votes on there. I like to show you guys a little preview before I do an unboxing or any video that I do, and I let you guys know when I'm gonna post on Mondays and Thursdays exactly, so then you guys are ready to go watch the video. So yeah, I just want to grow on Instagram as well as YouTube, and thank you guys. I've hit 600 subscribers here and I'm so excited. It's amazing because last week I was telling you guys that I hit 500 and I'm at 600, and I'm just really proud of myself. I've come a long way. I've said this before, but I am just so grateful for you guys, and thank you for all your positive comments and just sticking with me and supporting me. It means the world to me, so like thank you so much. Truly thank you. Okay, so let's get right into this unboxing. I know this is a different background every time I do a new video, but I haven't really like picked a perfect background that I liked. And yeah, I just have to figure it out. My house is like set up really weird. Even like my bedroom, I don't have that much space, so like it's kind of hard to find a place where I could film every single day and have it just be there. I don't know, but yeah, I have to figure it out. But sorry for the like different backgrounds each video. But anyway, I got something from Chanel. Like I said, I did contact my essay there. I will leave all her info in the description box. And she was amazing. She was so like consistent, and like not in a bad way, but like consistent, always checking like I'm gonna be getting this soon, because previously she got the last in-store availability, but all the other like the collection was coming out with new things, but only the first few things were coming in boutiques, and then this came in, and as soon as it did, she said I have it. So I gave her my card info, and then she sent it to me. So I'm super excited that it's here now. She wrapped it up so nicely, and I kept all the tissue paper because I like to stuff my other bags with it. And I mean, I could not throw away tissue paper that said Chanel all over it. So this is the little bag that it came in, and it just says Chanel over. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's just so pretty. So I literally kept all the wrapping paper. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm just so grateful because sometimes when I bought from luxury, they would just put it in like a dust bag and send it to me, and I'm like, I like the whole deal. Like she put it in a shopping bag, and I love that. Also, she gave me 2 extra ribbons that say Chanel over. I love this ribbon so much. It's just so pretty and gorgeous. So she gave me extra of those, and I did take the ribbon off of the box because my mom wanted to see it. So here's the camellia. I love this camellia so much. Look how pretty that is. It's just gorgeous. And then it just has the white ribbon like I showed you before with Chanel all over it. And then this is my receipt. It says Chanel on the front, and she just said thank you, and she gave me her card. So I will actually show you guys her card and then also put her information in the description box. And also I wanted to share with you guys that I recently put like my Instagram link in the description box. Like had some questions on where you could find me and people that weren't finding me on Instagram, so I just put the link. So if you go in the description box, you could just click the link and then it'll direct you to my Instagram account, so then you could follow me there. But this is her information. You guys can like pause the video and take a picture of it or write down the number. She's really amazing. She's located at the mall at Short Hills, and she was just amazing. So I definitely recommend to go to her if you're ever in the area and are going to Chanel. So she gave me a shopper bag. I'm in love with their shopper bags. It is just such high quality, and you can really tell that your money was spent very well. So she even put a camellia in the front, and they usually do that, right? I think so. I haven't really bought that much from Chanel yet. I mean, it is a more pricier kind of brand, and I like getting the SLGs. I really want to purchase these white sneakers they have. They are so gorgeous, and they're all white, and they have Chanel at the back of the heel. Yeah. It was so pretty, and there's only a few left in my size, but I'm not really sure because I'm thinking like summer's coming around and I'm not gonna wear that many sneakers. So I did ask her if they had like these sandals that I was looking for, and they're all sold out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait until like winter comes back around and purchase a pair of sneakers from there. But for right now, I really am into their SLGs and their shoes. Like, they're so cool. So this is the box. It did come with the ribbon like I showed you before with the camellia, and their boxes are just so beautiful. It says Chanel on the front, just a classic, simple, like so chic kind of look. So just is black with the Chanel, like I said. Opening it, and their dust bags, you guys, are so, I just have no words. They're so gorgeous, stunning. They have like this very suede material, and it says Chanel at the front like that. Okay, are we ready? I'm so nervous and so excited at the same time. Okay, when I actually posted this on my Instagram stories, and I did a vote on this on like if I should get this or not, and it was sort of like 50-50, so I just went for it because it was just so cute. It was so different. So before I keep rambling, I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I ended up getting. How gorgeous is this purple color? Like, oh my goodness. It is just this stunning purple with the gold champagne hardware, and it came all protected because it was literally brand new. Came into the boutiques. It even has the sticker on the Chanel logo still, and it's just so pretty. That purple, like this purple is so different. I've never seen any other luxury brand do like a purple before, so I'm just so impressed by this. And it's in the caviar leather, which I prefer the caviar over the lambskin because it holds up better. And I already have the red card holder from Chanel, and that just holds up so well. Like, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't like leave any marks, and everything is, it just looks brand new. So in love with these little card cases. They are just so beautiful. And I find that Chanel card cases are bigger than like other luxury brand card cases. Like in the past, I've had the Gucci one, and it just fit only my cards, but for these Chanel ones, you could fit your cash if you have some and your cards. So I just love them so much. So let me show you what this card holder has. So it just has like the classic flap, and my other one is just the flat card holder, but I wanted to get something different this time, so I got the one with the button. So when you go inside, there's a card holder right in here, and then there's just wide opening where you can put your cards and stuff. I'll show you my authenticity card. So that's the card, and yeah, it's just a big opening in the card holder, which you can fit cash, you can fit your cards in here. I would never put coins in here or any of my SLGs that are luxury, only because like they get dirty and it's just gross. But also in the back of the card holder, there's another card holder slot where you could put like something that's easy access that you just want quick, like a debit card, credit card, or your license. Haven't really played around with putting stuff in here, but I did try putting my cash and my cards. Just quickly and they fit perfectly in there. So I'm just so happy with this card holder. It is just a beautiful color. It stands out, it's unique, it's different, and I'm really loving it. I do want to get the zipper on one, but I'm trying to wait until like a new collection comes out and see what kind of colors they have, because I do like the pop of colors that Chanel does. They're just so different and so unique and so beautiful. So yeah, this is my new Chanel card holder. Also wanted to show you, it comes with this little care booklet of like how to take care of it. So that's what it looks like. I'll show you up close. So yeah, and then it comes with the tags. It just says the SKU number and all that, so if you want to look it up, here it is. And then also the price of this was $550, and here's the other tag. And that is all that I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or comments or any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video or you are into luxury like I am. I just love luxury. I don't know what it is. Thank you all again for subscribing and just supporting me. It means so much to me. And yeah, I just love you guys so much. You guys are so positive and you guys make my day every time that you comment. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!